with you.
안녕하세요, 헤라키진입니다. 오늘은 누구나 쉽게 만들 수 있는 초간단 또띠아 요리 4가지 소개해드려요. 바쁜 아침이나 간단한 점심, 아이들 간식으로도 좋은 간단하고 활용도 높은 또띠아 요리 4가지 지금부터 시작합니다.
I wanna stay with you. With you. I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the clouds where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering to your lips. See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for the kiss. 'Cause I've been eating you like old-fashioned orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise. No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you. I know that I'm well away from being a perfect guy. I can't have a bad chance, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard. We had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I'll make it up alive. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast for we're alone. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. Love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest. We'll take a little leap of faith, and I will do the rest. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast glowing. Her fire.
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 영상이 조금이라도 도움이 되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 해놓으시면 다음 영상 놓치지 않고 보실 수 있습니다.